French Air Force's Reaper drones are now able to drop laser-guided bombs and soon to launch air-to-ground missiles. They carried out their first experimental fire as part of Operation Barkhane in Niger. France has officially deployed its first armed drones, 3 American-built Reapers fitted with laser-guided missiles, in its fight against a jihadi insurrection in Africa's Sahel region, the Defense Minister Florence Parly announced on December 19. Their main missions remain surveillance and intelligence, but these can be extended to strikes, added the minister. Today, the Air Force has 2 male, medium-altitude long-endurance and Reaper drone systems, with 3 drones each. One of the systems has been continuously deployed in the Sahel since 2016. 2 additional Reaper systems will be delivered in 2020. Each drone will have the capacity to carry 4 250 kg laser-guided bombs, the GBU-12 bombs already used by Mirage and Rafale fighter aircraft.